Welcome back to Wafa's Business Talk, where we talk real hustle, real life, and real business. My name is Tinash, and today I want to be honest with you. Today I am going to talk about mistakes I made in business. Let me tell you the truth. Business is not easy, and if you not learn faster, mistakes will cost you money. I have made mistakes, painful ones, but those mistakes taught me lessons I will never forget. One of my biggest mistakes was wrong pricing. Sometimes I would put price too low or too high. I did not understand the balance. Always know your cost price and profit margin. Don't just copy other people. Understand your numbers. Mistake number 2, trusting wrong people. Not everyone is your friend. Some people waste your time, and some of them they won't pay you. Be careful of who you trust. Business needs wisdom, not emotions. Mistake number 3, giving up too fast. There are days with no profits, no custom, stress, and in those days I felt like quitting. But I realized that if you stop, everything will stop. Consistency is more important than motivation. Even if it is slow, keep going. Another mistake, not marketing. At first, I did not post every day. I thought if my products are good, people come and buy to my shop. But to my surprise, they didn't. Marketing is everything. If you want to get more sales, post every day in your WhatsApp, in your Facebook platform, in your TikTok. Do it every day. They are very important in your business. Now I know, post on WhatsApp, show my products clearly. The goal is not to avoid mistakes, because mistakes are part of the game. If you are looking for quality gadgets, smartwatch, AirPods, headphones, pouch, shutter glass, contact me on 0778 861 245. And don't forget to follow Wafa's Business Talk for more real business tips. Thank you for listening. This is Wafa's Business Talk. See you in the next episode.